Today, I was going to go to Oberhut, the hike, but I slept in too much, and it's a 3-hour bus ride, and then it's a 5-hour hike, and I wouldn't get back down till 9, and it'd be dark. That would be bad. So we're going to go to Mayrhofen. We're going to see what that city's about. So I made it to Mayrhofen, and I don't know how to get there, but I'm gonna try to walk to the beginning of this thing. Seems pretty far, some miles, and I'm gonna get up on this. I went some backwards ways, up trails and stuff. How am I gonna get back? No idea. And this isn't the one I was looking for, but it's another cable car to the top of some mountains. So let's do it. So there's a birds of prey show. So you go up there and I guess they have hawks. So guess what? Got me a ticket. Let's do it, even though I got the wrong cable on the way up. Birds of prey show. Let's go. Okay, so I saw some Austrian cows. We're gonna go check them out. Hear the bells? Austrian cows. Let's go talk to them. Look, Austrian cows. Hey dude, look at this guy. Big old head, a big old thing on his head. Pretty cool. That was kind of cool. I don't like guided stuff too much though. I like to go explore by myself in places where people don't go. Let's go off the trail. Austrian cows. Look at that. She's right there. Hi, girl. She licked me. You see that? So, I guess the female cows have horns. It's a female. She licked me. Well, that was cool. Now the problem is, I have no idea how to get back where I was. I went all these back trails and bus station. Well, let's go to town, get some food, try to find it. Made it home. I don't know how I found that bus stop, but I found it. Maybe before the day's over, we go check out that waterfall. So I know on my other trips I have like some destination to find. I'm gonna find this place. And cool, I found both of the places in different parts of the planet. This time, I had nowhere, so I'm just gonna explore and see what's up.